Snap ka.
Let's always be grateful every day. Okay, may pagsu.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year. My God, the year is very fast approaching. My God, parang eroplano. I hope maganda yung year natin, 2026. And I hope din na matupad na yung wish ni Cara the Bed. Charot. But today is Saturday. Pero i-upload ko na lang ito. I think tomorrow, probably next week. Depende. Yes, depende. Time now is around 8 p.m. And samahan niyo ako mag-work for the next 3 hours. Next 3 hours? Hindi ko matawag yung work ko kahapon kasi nag-burn out. So ngayon ko siya tatapusin para by Monday, wala na akong backlogs at maayos na ulit yung workflow ko. So, actually 3 minutes lang itong video or 2 minutes depende sa time-lapse na ipag-edit ko. Pero umabot ng 3 hours yung actual work na pagtatrabaho ko. Ganun talaga sa finance, maraming preparation, checking at focus kahit maiksi lang yung final output. So, ito, trabaho ko is US client ito, kaya medyo challenging yung work. Kailangan ng math skills sa strong English. So kailangan talagang tutok at walang distractions. My God, sorry. Distraction. Pero, of course, laban lang as Pinoy. Laban lang sa goal natin. Para sa mga buhaya, mag-remit tayo ng tax sa kanila. My God, charot. Yeah, by the way, I've been working sa finance for over 5 years na. Yes, official job ko nung college kasi I graduated year 2020, tapos yung accounting technology, tapos yung second degree ko which is yung prerequisites na accountancy dito sa Nueva Ecija. So 2021 officially nag-graduate ako ng college ng base accountancy sa Nueva Ecija ako nag-proceeds nung 4 years course doon sa Leyte ako. So yes, PTX na to sa akin. Bye! 11:23 AM na sa US time. So bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye!